A blizzard howls, ice shatters, and beneath the frozen prison, helpless cubs cry out. One man and one snow leopard stand against nature's fury. Will they break through before it's too late? The storm rages, but determination burns brighter. Man and snow leopard fight against the ice to reach the trapped cubs. Every strike of the axe, every claw against frozen walls is a desperate race against time. The ice fractures, hope flickers, and tiny paws reach out toward salvation. With strength and compassion, the guardian lifts the cubs, while the snow leopard shields them from the storm's fury. As the blizzard fades, light breaks through. Together they stand victorious, proving that courage and bond can shatter even the coldest prison.